Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all coming back to see what's going on. A little update. So I got some ditches and a little spillway over there on the other side of the pond. Pulled in there and got some of the water relieved off of here. I dug a real shallow ditch through there, which has relieved a lot of this water from up here. So I think what I'm gonna try to do is come over here with the mini and maybe get this water. Let's see, well, camera's not zoomed out. Oh well. Anyway, I'll try to get this water redirected to over here. Maybe take some of this topsoil and stuff that's can't be used for road base or whatever, and bank it up along this edge here. And I got one section in a ditch down there about a pipe, a few feet before the pipe, that's I just need to open up just a little bit, half a bucket full, and that'll let some more water out. Actually, this ditch on further down is dry. I was walking in it earlier, so I'll try to get all this water shoved out there, and then I think I'm gonna stick the 2-inch pump in the pond over there on that corner. I know it's deep, and run the hose over here and let that water run out that way, because the pond and the ditch over there have equalized and the water's not going anywhere. I've got one other place over here. The ditch crosses over onto the neighbor's property. I haven't talked to them, haven't met them, don't know them. Probably easier if I could go talk to them and open up that ditch, but I may just bring the ditch back on my side, come around behind these woods here and tie back into that other ditch that's flowing nicely now. So yeah, pleasantly surprised that I don't have near as much standing water out here as I thought I was gonna have. We just had a ton of rain, and this has held up well. I didn't video a lot of this, but I put another 6 loads of dirt in here from up the road at the dirt pit up the road, and so I'm just mucked that out and put 3 or 4 here, put one over here, put one here and one back there, and anyway, I think until it really dries out, it's probably what I'm going to be doing as I get time. I got to make time. This thing's dragging out way too long. So yeah, as I get time, won't be today, but I'll come in here and start mucking this stuff out, just getting all that vegetative stuff and debris off the top. It's got a pretty good base, and just go back along through there and Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is, I got a good bit of standing water here. I'm gonna scratch a little ditch, a little swell over to the ditch, and see if I can't get rid of this water. So give me just a second to get set up, and I'll see if I can't get some footage of that. Not a whole lot more progress, but I'll bring you back anyway. So, like this tree here, I'll probably end up leaving that. But these out here are in the middle of this ditch, and eventually they're going to grow to be big trees. And let's see if I can get them out of there.
with this. It's getting monotonous. So